Good morning children, welcome to my EVS class. So let's go to lesson number 13. I need these. So let's go to lesson number 13. I need this. Now what do you learn from this lesson? We are going to learn what our basic needs are. So we are there on this earth, we are living on this earth, but we need a lot of things, right? So what are those things we have to recognize? We know there are certain things we cannot live without that. But what are those things that we cannot live without that? Do you all ever thought of that? Did you all ever thought of naming it? So that's what we are going to highlight in this lesson. So in this lesson will teach us what are we using it, what do we all need in our day-to-day life to be alive, to be safely living on this earth. We may not even realize that is all the basic needs, but will be lot of wants which is not really necessary. We may not need that as a basic need, but lot of wants we have, right? So here we'll differentiate what is our need and what is our want. So first we go to page number 83. I need these. So after studying this lesson, you will make a list of your basic needs. That's what you will understand. Once we finish the lesson, you all will understand what your basic needs are. So when there's certain pictures, there's some pictures given in this page number 83. What are the children doing in the pictures? In the first picture, you see a girl eating. In the next picture, you see a boy sitting in his house. Where is he sitting? He's sitting in his house. Probably he's doing some exercise or he's singing, but he is sitting at home. And then a picture below, there's a boy, he is wearing his clothes, and two children are dressed up and going to school. And then there's a boy who's drinking water, and then a girl using fan because she's feeling hot, she wants hair, so she's fanning. So what these pictures tell us? These pictures tell us that there are certain things which we need without which we cannot live. Now the first thing, what are the basic needs of we human being are? Our basic needs are food, water, air and shelter. So our basic needs. So it's our basic needs. Our basic needs are air, food to eat, air to breathe, food to eat, water to drink to quench our thirst, and then shelter. Shelter is a house or a home, and then clothes. These are our basic needs, important things without which we cannot live on this earth. Can we live without breathing air? No, we can't live. Can we live without eating food? We will die of hunger, isn't it? So we need food to eat. Water, can we live without drinking water? Even for an hour or two we feel thirsty, we want water, otherwise it becomes very difficult, isn't it? So again we'll die of thirst. Can we live without a house? There are no houses will be on the roads. Who will protect us from the animals, from rains, from sun, breeze? We will be caught in the rain, will be drenched, will be wet without homes. If there's sun, it will be so sunny, it will be so hot. So if there's no house, we'll be sitting right under the sun, still we will not feel safe. And when the thieves and animals, they come and attack us, still there's no house, we will not be safe, right? And then clothes. Can any of us be without clothes? No, we all have to wear clothes. Clothes protect us, our body from wind, rain, heat. Okay, so all these are a basic need. When I say basic means it is a must, the starting need which we need for us. Everything else is a luxury for us. If you feel hungry, you'll eat food. Or what is a basic anything that's you fills your stomach and it gets rid of your hunger is enough for us to eat. So you have a bowl of rice and you have given a burger. If you say I want to eat burger, that's your luxury. If you say I just want food, you give me a rice and dal, that's enough. That's your basic need. So that is luxury becomes your want becomes luxury, they say. So your need is your food. Now when you select I want burgers, I want pizzas, I want cake over a simple food, and that becomes I want, that is not your need. All that you need is food to fill your stomach, but you want snacks and this and that to eat, that becomes your want, which is luxury. So first we have to understand what our basic needs are. We need a simple clothes to wear to cover our body, to protect from air, wind, breeze, sun and rain. We need shelter, we need homes to protect ourselves again from sunshine, from rain, from animals, okay. And then we need water because we'll feel thirsty, our body needs water, okay. And then we need food to fill our stomach because we'll feel hungry, we'll die of starvation. So we need food, and then we need air as very important for us to live on this earth. If there is no air, we can't breathe in air, then we will die, right? Suffocating. Without air we would die. So all these are something which we cannot live without it. That is basic needs. And what are wants? When you say wants, you can still live without that, right? You can still live without a very fancy dress. One salwar, one shirt and pant, or one simple frock will do. But if you say I want a big gown to wear for a party, you can still live without that, right? So that becomes your want. If you want, you have to breathe in air to breathe in. But if you want an AC, that becomes your want, right? You have a house to protect yourself from sunlight, from heat, right? And then you say I want an AC inside the house. That becomes your luxury, that becomes your want. What your basic need is the house which is going to protect you from the animals attack, from the thieves, from the air and rain and wind. And then you have your water and food. You want water, without water you can't live, but you can still live without juice, right? You want ice creams, I want juice to quench my thirst, that is just a want, right? But water is very important, water is necessary, so that is important. So what you need is it's important. What you want, you can still survive without those. Okay children, so let's go to the page number 84. So here you will find what is actually essential for you all is what you will have to tick. The first picture has a pot of water in it, and water is essential for us. So that is very essential. So draw a line on the things that very essential. So this is a picture of a girl in center. So if water is essential, draw a line from there to the circle. From this line, from this picture to the circle, you will have to draw the line. So water is very essential. Next picture is a chair. Is chair very essential? Not really, because you can still sit on the floor if you don't have a chair, isn't it? So chair is not essential, so do not draw the line. Watch we need to see the time, but it's not essential for our life, isn't it? And then shoes. Shoes, yes, it protects your leg, your feet from heat, rock, everything, stones, thorns while you walk, but it's definitely not an essential item. Clothes, yes, you need pant, shirt at least to cover your body, to protect your body and skin. So clothes is essential. So from the clothes, draw a line. And then you have food. Food is very essential to us. So draw a line, connect the line to the circle. And then pencil and books. Now what do we say? As a student, pencil, books are essential for us. But then as a human being to live, we can still live without books and pencils, isn't it? A table with books. No, you can still have a paper and sit on the floor and write. So what is more important is our essential. So let's go to the next page. There are three pictures. The picture continues. It says, the first picture says, I am hungry, can we have food? So what the picture says, I am hungry, can we have food? So So food is must. So you should have food, right, when you're hungry. But what you have makes the difference. Okay, I am thirsty, I need water to drink. Water is very important for you all, so we need water to drink, because when you are thirsty you drink water. It started raining, let's go home. So what happens when it rains? You will not stand on the road, right? Getting drenched, all wet, you'll stand out. You will not stand on the road, you will get inside the house. You don't want to get wet, you will fall sick. If you get wet in the rain, what will happen to your children? You all will fall sick. So you need a home to go inside, right? So a home is necessary, that is a shelter, a house is necessary. So once it starts raining or it's too hot, sunny, you all get inside the house for your protection. I need clothes to protect me from heat of the sun, cold, rain and breeze. So we wear clothes, right? Why do we wear clothes? To make ourselves look beautiful? That's nice. But then we wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, that is sun's heat, cold during winter, rain and breeze during monsoon. So the type of clothes depends on the type of season we wear, isn't it, children? What kind of clothes we wear? During summer, it's so hot, so we usually wear cotton clothes in summer to keep ourselves cool and protect from heat. And during monsoon, that's rainy season, what kind of clothes we wear? We wear raincoats and jackets that will protect us from rain till we reach our home, isn't it? And then in cold season, that's in winter, and while it's winter, what kind of clothes you all wear? We wear thick woolen clothes to protect from cold, isn't it? So we wear different kinds of clothes to protect our skin, our body from different kind of weather. So that